definitely up top. Let's go ahead and take a deep breath in. Breathe all the way out. Relax your shoulders completely. Good. Bring this down a little bit. Nice. Let's relax. Hey guys, give me a few minutes.
No worries.
Sorry about that.
Let's relax. Go. Good. Other side. On your back. I think it's more of your shoulder blade area.
Yeah.
This way. Relax your shoulders.